Hello everybody and welcome to the latest update on newly formed Tropical Storm Beryl. So Tropical Storm Beryl is already a 60-mile-per-hour tropical storm with 65-mile-per-hour wind gusts and westerly movement as of 7 a.m. Central Time this morning, 6/29/2024, Saturday. Taking a look at the projected cone for Tropical Storm Beryl, as we go into 1 p.m. this afternoon, Beryl is expected to intensify to a 65-mile-per-hour tropical storm with 75-mile-per-hour gusts moving to the west. And then as we go into tomorrow morning around 1 a.m. Central Time, a 75-mile-per-hour Category 1 hurricane with maximum gusts up to 90 miles per hour moving west. And then as we go into tomorrow afternoon, 1 p.m. Central Time, looking at an 85-mile-per-hour hurricane with 105-mile-per-hour wind gusts moving to the west-northwest. And then Beryl's expected to strengthen to a Category 2 hurricane as we go into Monday, July the 1st, 1 a.m. Central Time, with 100-mile-per-hour winds and 120-mile-per-hour maximum wind gusts moving to the west-northwest. And then it's going to move across just south of Barbados early Monday morning, probably around 7 a.m. Central Time, and then we could be looking at a direct landfall on St. Vincent and the Grenadines as we go into 1 p.m. Central Time on Monday as a 110-mile-per-hour Category 2 hurricane with gusts up to 130 miles per hour moving to the west-northwest. So if you live across St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Grenada, Barbados, make sure you're making hurricane preparations as we are looking at a potential major hurricane moving through these islands Monday morning and early Monday afternoon. As we go into early Tuesday morning, 1 a.m. Central Time, looking at a 110-mile-per-hour hurricane Category 2 with 130-mile-per-hour wind gusts moving to the west-northwest. And then as we go into 1 a.m. on Wednesday, looking at a 105-mile-per-hour Category 2 hurricane with 125-mile-per-hour wind gusts moving to the west-northwest, just south of Haiti. Haiti and the Southern Dominican Republic are in this cone of uncertainty, so make sure you're watching Hurricane or Tropical Storm Beryl very closely if you live across Hispaniola, looking at a landfall in Jamaica sometime around Wednesday evening, and then off towards the Cayman Islands as we go into 1 a.m. Thursday Central Time as an 85-mile-per-hour Category 1 hurricane with gusts up to 105 miles per hour. So, if you live anywhere across the central southern Lesser Antilles, southwestern Hispaniola, even Cuba and Jamaica and the Cayman Islands, make sure you're making your hurricane preparations for Hurricane Beryl, as we're looking at a strong to major hurricane moving through the area between Monday and Thursday. Looking at our areas of interest, we have a 40% chance of tropical cyclone development across the central southern Bay of Campeche over the next 2 to 7 days, with our disturbance, which will bring some more flooding to south central Mexico. And then unfortunately, we are looking at yet another system that could impact the central and southern Lesser Antilles from Trinidad and Tobago through Guadeloupe after Beryl, and this has a 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 2 days and a 60% chance of tropical cyclone formation over the next 7 days, with an overall medium chance of formation. So taking a look at our latest infrared satellite imagery, Tropical Storm Beryl is already looking pretty organized for a tropical storm with minimal looking wind shear, lots of a deep, tall convection around the center. So we're looking at quite a healthy, strong tropical storm with minimal wind shear and dry air, which is only going to serve to strengthen the system as we go over the next several days. Taking a look at our latest spaghetti model guidance, over the next 48 hours, we are seeing very good model agreement that Beryl is going to pass just to the south of Barbados and through St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Like I mentioned earlier, this is going to be in the late Monday morning, early Monday afternoon time frame, so make sure you're making your hurricane preparations across the southern Lesser Antilles, even Trinidad and Tobago. You could be seeing tropical storm impacts from Beryl. And then in the next 72 hours, Beryl will move north of the ABC Islands. And then as we go into the next, I would say 100 to 120 hours, looking at hurricane impacts across Jamaica and the Cayman Islands. And as we go into about 1 week out, we could be seeing Hurricane Beryl making a landfall in Belize or the Yucatan Peninsula and potentially move into the Gulf of Mexico. So this is going to be a system worth watching for a long while. And taking a look at our intensity model guidance, most of the intensity model guidance is taking Hurricane Beryl to a Category 3 hurricane over the next 36 to 96 hours. So this has the potential to be a major hurricane for the Caribbean, unfortunately. And a few models even take it to a Category 4 as we go into about 72 to 84 hours out after it moves through the southern Lesser Antilles. So make sure you're making hurricane preparations if you live across the Caribbean from Hurricane Beryl. Thanks for watching today's tropical update. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.